Hello, I am Tassim from Albania. I am an engineer electric and I work here from 6 years and I am in the position as a technical manager. It's from 3 years now that the robots are working. In the beginning was something new for us, a little difficult to be implementing here, but now we are used to do the work with the robots and everything is going okay, and now we are happy that we are working in these lines. The first time that I see the robots was something strange for me, but when I come to the factory at the morning and I see the robot is something usual, and I feel happy because I have a support for me. The biggest fear is how are they working, and the first thing that I was thinking the first time I saw the robots was who can make this working. But as I said before, in the morning when I come here I see them like my friends because I need them in my work. Now I don't have the fears or things like that. Of course I will recommend the others robots. This is the first thing that I have thinking when we were in this project. The first thing that I was the help of the employers here. I will recommend it to make other robots in other lines because they improve the work, they increase the efficiency of the lines, and now the robots is related to our lives, I think. Because as we see every day, there are robots everywhere helping in all of fields of life.